This is CKB Russian doing a review of the brand new KWA AKKCR that just came out. It's a gas blowback. It has M4 stack system on it, so they give you a chance to change it. It has a pistol grip. Trigger system is all metal, so you don't have no problems with that breaking it. It has M4 back and front side. It has rail in the front for your light, hand grip or rail covers. Also, it has it on top for your red dot or laser or anything you want to put on top. Alright, so we currently in the KWA AKG gas blowback, brand new out of the box.